What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's new video on how to download the game Clair Obscur Expedition 33 on your PC. So for the first step you will need to open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam, and then we can proceed to another website to download it. So go to the Steam website, and after that we will search for the game Clair Obscur Expedition 33. Now select the game, then scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, this game is available with the temporary offer for €44.99. But don't worry, we got a little workaround for that. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this website. Now what we need to do is search for the same game Clair Obscur 33 and search for it. Now after that, select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, we need to scroll a little bit down, and then you will find a PC edition which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, and after that you can select it. Now once you have selected it, then you will find out that this game is already available from €21.19 instead of the price on Steam of €44.99. So this will save you definitely a lot of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for the Microsoft Store or a completely new legit Microsoft Store account to download this game on your PC, but much cheaper than on Steam. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!